Hey, Mitch Kamich Coaching, and is your 2-minute business coach, and we're sticking to marketing today. SEO. What is that? Search engine optimization. It's desperately terrifying to people, but let's break it down so you as a business owner can understand it, potentially use it, or when you pay somebody, they can make you a rock star because you understand it and therefore it can work well for your business, okay? Search engine optimization means that it's easier to find our business online. The better our SEO is for our business, the more likely Google, YouTube, Bing, Facebook, etc. are all able to find us and we show up first or at the very front, or as we know on Google, on the front page, because that's where people come and find us. SEO only has 3 parts. Now there's lots of technology that goes in the back end, but there's only 3 things to understand. First of all, front of house. In other words, what your website looks like and the language that's on the front actually helps SEO. In other words, helps you to be able to be found. So the stuff we choose to put on the front of our website, in other words, what everybody reads, is really important to make sure it's in line. Secondly, back end. This is where more traditional SEO is done. This is keywords and other statistics, etc., that have to go into the back end because that's what Google and other search engines look for as well. So they're looking at the front of the website now, they're looking at the back end, and the third part to help increase our likelihood of being found is what's called backlinks, meaning that if I am somewhere else, so if I put a post on Facebook and I attach my website address in the bottom as a link so you could click it and go to my website, this is called a backlink. If I've got them on LinkedIn, other social media channels, etc., these all help. So make sure, front of house, words are good. Back of house, keywords are great. Backlinks, lots of links back to your website, and your website can rank incredibly well, and you can do an awful lot of lifting, or you can pay somebody to do it for you. Get after it.